Anyways, I should delete these, but the whole reason we wanted to do the user stuff, well, we need it anyway, so, but really want to save past the user here after we get it, and then save everything else. So let's go back here, show dialog, which I didn't know I showed y'all that already, but I'm behind. What is it, user? And it's complaining because we haven't changed it in the dialog yet, so I'll just comment it out, but it'll be of type user. So I should have pressed enter right there, but now it'll trip because yeah, we do have email, so that's fine. We'll save the UID. We can't really save these, I don't think, but so we'll save the username, the email, UID. I can't think of anything else. And then we have a date, so we can sort by dates. I showed that last time, but I don't think I really explained it. So user name, what is it? Username. I think that's all we really need. We'll have user URL later. Because since if you come from SQL background, it might seem weird to like store this extra data, but basically you don't have to keep making requests with no S. This is no SQL, basically Firebase, so you don't have to keep making requests. So it's called dang, I forgot. Firebase has videos of it, but it's I'll think of it later. That's the concept of we add in more data here. So even though you're downloading a little bit more data, you're not making extra requests for each user. Because if we didn't save it like this, we just save the user ID or whatever, we'd have to request each, uh, do a request for each post. So it's better just to do it like this, really. So um, we want to make a like button, I guess. So we want to show a username instead of user email, actually as well. So I'll do that real quick. I'm gonna delete it, so we really won't need that, but I guess it would help still. So they'll all say no username now, but if we create one, hmm. Okay, I'll see what the problem is. See, you really need to save this. What I usually do for the users, I save the user ID as the document ID, and I didn't do that here, so I wonder if I can change it real quick. But then I'll show you how to change it in the code. Let's just see. I'll just show you how to change the code real quick. I have it rebuilding because my computer died on me. But see this result right here? We want to save it as see how we have result.user.uid right here. When we save the user ID, you want to save that in the document as well. The email flow. But yeah, I'm recording still. Okay, so we need to basically probably check this. So I'll do a check right here real quick. Sign out, is it sign out? Maybe it does it with this. It's going so slow. I'll just Google it real quick. Stopping the recording helped a lot. So it's up. So I deleted it from my users collection, but I didn't actually delete the user. So I'll just show you. Might as well delete these posts as well. Okay. This is, I think I just showed y'all this when I was showing y'all how Firestore worked. So we'll go to authentication right here. You see these are all the things we created. So we could delete them all. I won't go through and delete them all right now. But somebody actually created one with our stuff. Or did I do that? No. Yeah, I must have been playing with it. Okay, that's cool. I mean, it doesn't matter. See, so you don't want to use the same one for your app. You want to change your config if you use my project. But yeah, I mean, I don't mind if y'all use this. I'll probably shut down at the end of the tutorial, but I don't know, I might leave it up just so y'all can play with it. I mean, that's fine. But so I'll go ahead and so I have the logout button here. So I'll go ahead and log out, which I don't think it popped. Still. Oh, because it doesn't return anything. That's kind of weird. Let's just rerun it. So now we're logged out. It shouldn't go to the screen anymore. So we need to return true or something in auth util, just so it doesn't. We'll do a wait. We'll actually do a wait. We'll just do a boolean. Which is it bool or okay? And the sync is complaining because we need a sync as well as a semicolon there. Okay, so that should be good now. So I'll just register another user. Let's do CM Coffee 91. Chris was here at gmail.com. And y'all could probably see these, which I don't care. That's why I don't care that y'all see it anyways, because it's not a real app. I mean, or a database. We'll do storage later. That's when we upload video. See now the user ID is the document ID. So now it should work. So testing. Put it through. Started crying like a baby. We have email user ID. and username. Oh, I think what it is we need to call set state right here. Put that there. I believe that's what it is. Honestly, I've been out of touch with Flutter for a little bit. I'm working out on other projects, so in a minute. I put, oh yeah, okay, that's right. I thought it was washing. I didn't see the E, but let me check. Well, I didn't do a return on here. It's because I redid it, and so I believe that should be good now. Still lagging a little bit, so I just want to show you one more thing, and then yeah. Man, this is going so slow. I'll skip all this so y'all won't have to wait. But, yeah, what's going on? Okay, I believe it's going now. All right, which I didn't even see. See, it's going so slow. Getting the transition is going slow. So yeah. So we'll do create post again. We'll do testing. So there you go. So now it's showing our username, right? So I just had to return DS. You could also just do. You don't have to use then. You could just do return this right here, because that's what ultimately this gives and then. So you could just do return. You could delete this and just put X semicolon after this. That's if you wanted. Um, I just did it so I can see the. I just used then so I could see the email, whatever. We could have checked it and we got it back in newsfeed, which we're already doing. See right here, which I'm already doing anyway. So I guess I could just show you that. Just so I'll just comment it out actually. So you can just also do this. It does the same thing. So I'll just run it just to show you. Then I want to put like a like thing over here or something. We'll design it a little bit later, but um, test this, man. See, um, so you could have just done this. See if our logout button works. I didn't get an error. I think it's just going so slow. Oh man, okay, I see what it is. Actually, that's a problem because remember I mentioned because we're gonna change this anyways. using pop, where is it, is a problem because we use push replace. We replaced the previous screen with this screen, so there's really uh, there's no screen before this because this is the new screen since we replaced. If I go to login, push replacement, that replaces it instead of pushes on the stack. So I didn't think about that, but we'll fix that later. I, you can just do navigator. You can do the same thing right here and just do login. I guess we'll just go ahead and do it real quick just to show you. Pop basically means go back a screen. I believe. Oh, yeah, I showed that in create post dialog. So we'll just go to my home page actually instead of. I'll just log in again. I don't remember what my password was. The other one. Which is probably complaining because I need to import it. It's going so slow. See, that's that's wild. I'm gonna have to stop this. I want to show you how to put a like on here. At least do a like, but we can still do it. So I found a lot of cool like code people use, sort of like Facebook's.